All right, guys, so it is raining here in beautiful sunny San Diego, and that means that it is snowing up in the mountains. And I thought, well, what a awesome opportunity to take the WeldTec Designs Ford Transit with its new suspension, awesome 2.5 King coilovers, and all kinds of other stuff decked out by Aluminess, killer front bumper. This thing is looking amazing, but what we really want to know is how does it handle in different conditions? So today I'm heading to the snow and I'm taking you with me. Let's go. Well, here it is. We are headed up to Mount Laguna, and you can see we are getting snow on the side of the road, which is definitely a good sign because that's what we are in the hunt for. Here is our first stop, this awesome overlook. It's barely starting to snow right now, but there's the transit looking awesome. So pretty up here. We're gonna get some killer footage of this. All right, so I almost got the all-wheel drive transit stuck into this. This is about a little over a foot deep of snow. And I almost thought for sure we were getting stuck. All right, definitely having a good time driving around out here in Mount Laguna. Happy to be back in the transit because, geez, it is cold outside. I think due to, the wind right now is pretty crazy too. So it's windy and cold and snowing, and I'm a wuss from San Diego. So, but otherwise, everyone's having a lot of fun. You got kids playing. It is a good time, and it is just beautiful out here as well. I mean, who doesn't just love this? I mean, this is just something out of a picture, a postcard, you might say. Enough talking, let's do some more driving, have some fun, and maybe insert some epic B-roll right here of us driving the Ford Transit.
There's a show in the back too.
WeldTec Designs, right up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
All
you
right,
guys.
you guys have a
You're the best. You rock.
This is what happens if you hang out in the snow.
Yeah.